Hey, if you want to enter for the recovery mode on the smartphones with the Xiaomi HyperOS, all you have to do is just to first power off your device. In both cases, you will have to click and hold the power button until menu like this pops, but also there is a chance that you have to use the two buttons combination, the volume up button and the power button. So you'll have to click and hold them together, and then you will have to slide to power off when this menu pops. Now on your smartphone with the HyperOS, you will have to wait until your screen turns off, like in my case. And now you will have to use the two buttons combination. You will have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button together. So let's do this. And keep holding both buttons until Poco logo pops on the screen, or Xiaomi logo pops on the screen. After this, release only power button and keep holding the volume up button still until the recovery mode pops on the screen. There we go. As you can see, now we are in the recovery mode on the HyperOS devices, so it will be you will be using it with the Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco smartphones. And if you want to reboot, just click on the power button and click power button to reboot the system. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.